Dear colleagues, I'm really pleased to talk to you today. During the exceptional time we are living, Axence continues to take care of its customers with new way of working. For the first time this year, Axence annual technology seminar will turn digital, and I thank you for joining us to attend this conference. As an introduction, I would like to give you a few highlights of this year 2020 for our offer, and in particular what we have done to reinforce our solution, the solutions we propose to you. In 2020, we continue to work to enlarge our portfolio of solutions, in particular to convert oil and biomass to cleaner fuels. We also signed an agreement with ExxonMobil to license their flexi-cooking technology, agreement which follows the one we signed last year with them for alkylation. And in both of these technologies, we got new awards this year. I would like also to mention a partnership with the Nigerian Bua Group to supply all their technologies for their new 200,000 barrel per day refinery in Nigeria. In the field of petrochemical, I would like to point out the construction and startup of a new paraxylene complex using our Paramax technology in China, as well as the selection of Axence for the supply of various selective hydrogenation technologies and unit downstream of steam crackers, and the selection by the Baltic Chemical Complex for the supply of alpha-olefin production technologies, and in particular, the Exin 1 alpha Exalt technology for their new complex. In the field of biofuels and biochemical, we were selected by INA from Croatia for the supply of the second generation ethanol technology named Futurol. And also in the field of biochemical, we had the first license for the production of bioethylene from ethanol with a technology named Atoll. We also took advantage of 2020 to advance in developing and preparing the low carbon economy, in developing new fields and new activities in this sector. First, in the plastic circular economy, I'm pleased to announce that we signed an alliance with IFP Energie Nouvelle and the Japanese company J-Plan to industrialize and demonstrate a new PET chemical recycling technology, which I'm sure will take a big share on the market. We also invested in the CO2 capture field together with a consortium of 11 European companies. A process, it's called DMX, and this process will be demonstrated in the north of France in ArcelorMittal steel mill. This will be done together also with Total and Energie Nouvelle in particular. And we hope by bringing industrial this new technology, which allows to capture CO2 with a much lower energy footprint, that this will put in place the condition for this capture to happen in the market. As mentioned, our usual Axence technology seminar will be virtual and will be held this year on November 16. This would be the occasion for you to know about our latest development, as well as sharing experience of operating units, and ask any question you would like to ask to our experts. This one-day virtual seminar will be split in 3 sessions. Session 1, renewable and circular economy. Session 2, digital service and innovative catalyst. And the session 3, refinery asset optimization and decarbonization. During each session, Axence experts will present the latest development and will answer your question, give you feedback about our technologies, product, and services. We are pleased to invite you to join this complimentary seminar, again on November 16. Be sure we are using all our endeavors to mitigate the effect of this pandemic on our activities. All our teams are engaged with motivation and agility to serve you at best, being customers, suppliers, partner. This is our main task, and we will continue to do so in all this year and in the next years and the years to come. As an example, I want in particular to highlight the new digital collaborative tool and follow-up of the units that we have put in place, which is called Connecting, which is helping a lot all refiners using our technologies and also the petrochemical operators to use them at best. This is just an example, and I'm sure we will do more in the months to come. So again, thank you for your trust during all this year. I hope this period, which is really new in our lives, will be soon over. I wish you all the best. Take care of you, take care of your relatives or your families, and I hope to be able to see you soon in the near future. Thank you indeed for your attention.